Keeping your floors clean can feel like a never-ending chore, especially with pet hair and dust bunnies constantly accumulating. Robot vacuums offer a tempting solution, promising to take on the cleaning burden while you relax or tackle other tasks. This Ilife V3s Pro robot vacuum cleaner aims to be your cleaning partner in crime, offering a budget-conscious option with features designed for pet owners and everyday cleaning needs. This comprehensive review delves deep into the V3s Pro's functionalities, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning arsenal. Anyone who shares their home with furry companions knows the constant battle against pet hair. Traditional vacuums often get clogged with tangled pet hair, creating a frustrating cleaning experience. The Ilife V3s Pro tackles this challenge head-on with its innovative Tangle-Free pet hair care suction. This design ditches the traditional roller brush in favor of a powerful suction passage. This approach aims to pick up pet hair effectively without the constant struggle of untangling messes. Beyond pet hair, the V3s Pro is adept at handling dirt, crumbs, and debris on various surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, stone, and low-pile carpets. This versatility makes it a suitable choice for a variety of floor types commonly found in homes. Low-profile furniture can create hidden havens for dust and debris, becoming breeding grounds for allergens and making a clean home feel incomplete. The Ilife V3s Pro boasts a slim design, measuring just 8 centimeters in height. This allows the robot to navigate effortlessly under beds, sofas, and other low-clearance furniture. By reaching these hidden areas that traditional vacuums or bulkier robot vacuums might miss, the V3s Pro ensures a more comprehensive clean and reduces the need for additional manual vacuuming. This is particularly beneficial for those with pets who tend to shed fur under furniture, or for those who simply want a deeper clean that reaches every corner. The Ilife V3s Pro goes beyond simply cleaning, it simplifies the process entirely. This robot vacuum can run routine cleaning schedules automatically based on your preset preferences. No more scrambling to remember to start the vacuum, the V3s Pro takes care of it, freeing up your time for other activities. When the battery runs low, the V3s Pro automatically returns to its charging dock to power up, ensuring it's always ready for your next cleaning session. This level of automation eliminates the need for constant supervision and charging, making the V3s Pro a convenient cleaning companion that requires minimal intervention. Bumping into furniture and taking tumbles downstairs can damage both your robot vacuum and your belongings. The Ilife V3s Pro features built-in infrared sensors that help it avoid such mishaps. These sensors act as the robot's eyes, detecting obstacles and drop-offs. By detecting these hazards, the V3s Pro can navigate around furniture and prevent dangerous falls. This not only protects your furniture from scratches and bumps, but also ensures the longevity of the robot itself. The Ilife V3s Pro is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Starting the cleaning process is as simple as pressing a button on the robot itself or using the included remote control. The remote offers 3 cleaning modes for customized cleaning: Auto mode for a comprehensive clean, Edge mode for focusing on corners and baseboards, and Spot mode for tackling specific areas where dirt or debris accumulates. Maintaining the V3s Pro is straightforward as well. Emptying the dustbin and cleaning the filter are recommended after each use, and the filter should be replaced monthly for optimal performance. These simple maintenance tasks ensure the V3s Pro continues to operate efficiently and effectively. The verdict: a budget-friendly option for everyday cleaning needs. The Ilife V3s Pro emerges as a strong contender in the budget-friendly robot vacuum market. Its Tangle-Free pet hair suction, slim design, and automatic cleaning and charging features make it a convenient choice for pet owners and those seeking a hassle-free cleaning solution. While it might not have the advanced features or mapping capabilities of some high-end robot vacuums, the V3s Pro offers a compelling balance between affordability and performance for everyday cleaning needs. Who should consider the Ilife V3s Pro? Budget-conscious shoppers looking for a reliable robot vacuum for pet hair and everyday cleaning. Pet owners who struggle with constant pet hair shedding. Individuals with hard floors, tile, laminate, or low-pile carpets. Users who value a user-friendly and low-maintenance robot vacuum. Who might want to look elsewhere? Users who desire advanced features like multi-floor mapping or virtual no-go zones. Those with large homes that require a robot vacuum with a longer runtime. Individuals with high-pile carpets who need a robot vacuum with stronger suction power. Ultimately, the Ilife V3s Pro offers a strong value proposition for those seeking a budget-friendly robot vacuum cleaner for everyday cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to keep your floors clean without breaking the bank, the V3s Pro is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.